Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm back with new video. In this video, we'll see carousel animation. Previously you have seen one carousel animation. Now you can see one more carousel animation with different layout. Okay, let's get started. Here I'm going to select the frame. When I select the frame, right side you can see the frames, and select the desktop. We'll select MacBook Pro 16. Okay, in this now we are going to work. Now we'll create menu first. Let me add a logo. I have taken a dummy logo from Google. Let me add it here and add some text here. Home. Change the font to man robe and use medium. Duplicate this using Alt, and after selecting these two, select auto layout. After that, duplicate two. Okay, we'll change the text. Breakfast. I'll delete this one and move this to this side. We'll add one icon here. Let me add it. Now we have the cart icon here. Okay, let me add one notification icon here using ellipse. Just draw it here, little high, and we'll use the logo color for this. Select this one. Now we'll change this color also, stroke color. We'll go with 1A. Okay, for fonts also same. Done. And finally we'll make this also auto layout. We'll just move it to the inside the auto layout. Okay, now check the spacing. I'm giving 200 for now. If needed, we'll change it. Okay, we'll decrease little bit this. Now we'll add all the images here. Okay, I have the images. Let me bring it here. These are my images. Let me align it. Okay, after that we'll scale it, center aligned everything. Okay, just keep this in this frame and give the name for the layers. We'll add text here in the left side. Take text tool here, add wood place. Okay, and let me select the font Playfair display. Which one looks good? Let me check. We'll go with Playfair display. Okay, and let's select extra bold. Decrease the lines height, and we'll increase the size. We'll increase this too. The spacing we need to change. How much we gave here? 200, right? We'll do one thing. We'll make it 120. For here also we'll make it 120. We have to align this. Okay, we'll make it 160 font size. This is fine. Change this to 1A. Okay, and select all the images here, move it till here. Okay, all images we have. We'll create left side component. Let me select rectangular here and draw it like this. Height should be 120 pixels and width, let me check. We'll just give it for now we'll give it somewhere 500 will give. Okay, we'll see if needed, we'll change. Let me bring this image here, we'll keep it here. Okay, then make it round. After that we'll add a text here. Let me make this color like this. Let me add the text curry chicken. Decrease the font size. Before that we'll add color here and decrease the font size now. Sorry, I'm decreasing line height. We need to decrease the font size. Okay, and we'll change the font style, font here, this man drop. Okay, we'll add here and make this caps. Okay, decrease the font size. This is enough. We'll give some space here. After that duplicate this, and here we'll add one more text. We'll do some changes here. Decrease the font size to 16 and we'll add some dummy text here. You can see I have this Lorem Ipsum text. I'm adding it here. Okay, now let me check the final spacing. This is fine. We'll select this both and do the auto layout. We'll select these both, again do the auto layout, select the final one, do the auto layout. Okay, now we'll duplicate this frame and keep this here. On hover we need to show. Okay, for that I'm selecting this one and we'll select this color here. Okay, or we can also add gradient. We'll see how it looks. Okay, like this we can do. I added gradient and now let's change this color to white. Okay, now what we need to do, we just need to create multi components and combine it as a variant. Okay, we have two components now. We'll select this curry chicken first title, and here in the right side you can see this. Just click on this and create the component here. This will be title. Okay, and this will be description. Okay, now this is fine. Just bring it down and take 4 duplicates here because we have 4 images here, correct? And let me select the images. I added all the names here. Okay, now we'll just move it inside the frame and keep it here. We'll group these, or 2 3 4 5, this name should be correct. Okay, and bring it till here. We need to increase the size. Just we'll increase it here. Okay, select this frame and here we'll increase the size 22 to 150. Okay, same for this. Select this 150. Okay, now we'll decrease this little bit, or just enter here. This automatically updated here. Okay, we'll do one thing here. We'll remove this text. Now this is fine. We'll change this color here, or we'll make it full white and we'll give stroke. It should be outside. Okay, till here it is better. For this we'll add shadow. Here we'll change it to on hover. You just mention property names. For this false, okay, it is not on hover, false. This is hover, true. Okay, you can also change this property name if you want. Just double click on this and on hover, like this you can do. Okay, when you select here, you can see. Now select this one and do some changes with the shadow. Increase the blur. Okay, this is fine. Here on prototype, you have to do just drag and drop to this one, and on click is there, right? Change it to while hover. Okay, and smart animation, add the smart animation. Now we have this one, right? Let's do the final animation here. I think we need to increase the space little more. We'll make it 230. Same for this. Okay, it is 231. Change it to 230. It should be correct. And when it is selected, we need to move this little bit front. Okay, we'll select this, we'll send this little bit back and move it like this. Now here we'll add one more button, and we need to align with this one. Okay, change the color of the button to this one, or we'll use this color. Maybe this is better. And add a stroke. Stroke is, I think, not needed, but let me check. Add like this. Okay, you can see it here. And we'll add a text for this. Center align. Increase this size. That is fine. Here we'll write order now. Okay, and also we need to show the price, right? Let me make it extra bold for this and increase the font size, and the price will be here, it will be $3.99. Okay, between this we'll add one line. Stroke, we'll make it 2. Let's see, can we add this? Not looking really good. Let me try decreasing the size. Select all these layers and center align. This we need to check. Sometimes center align won't work. Now this is fine. We'll write here price, and this will be button BG. This is line. Okay, select all this and group button. Okay, this is fine. Now we'll do animation for this now. Okay, let's duplicate this. Okay, before duplicating that, we'll select all these images and scale this. Okay, scale this till here better and make it 0. Now we'll take 4 copies here. Total 4 copies we have. Move this one till here and this one to here. Change this to on hover. Same for this. Done. Now we need to select this first image. Change this opacity to 100. Scale it till here. Okay. We'll make this to 712. Okay. Remember this size, and we have to do here. and change the prices for this. We'll make this 1399 and for this 259, and veg biryani will make it high 599. Now I think almost done. Let's do the final prototype here. Go to the prototype tab and select this one. On clicking on this, we need to navigate to this one. Okay, on click is there, smart animation also on, and we are now navigating this to here. For this we'll make to this one. Okay, and fourth one, navigate to this one. Again same for this. Let me check once again. Also we'll add after delay, and this will be 800 ms after delay. Let's play and check. This is working fine. Okay, you can see here, but the after delay time is little low. We need to change that. We'll make it 3000 ms. Okay, same for here, 3000. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, this is fine. See, on hover and all working fine. Now we'll do little changes here. Select this one and rotate it 90 degrees, and select this one, do same. Select this one and do same. Now see how this animation works. We'll try one more. This is 90 and this will be 180. We'll do it like this. Now we'll see. And here we can also change the animation patterns if needed. You can see here we have gentle, quick, bouncy, these things. We can use gentle animation here. If you check here, see how nicely it is working. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.